How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed business manager. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook, and on Facebook you have to scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop and click OK. And as you see here, this option appear on top. You have to allow it like I'm doing, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.